Too many hop waters look interchangeable. Start with Hoplark Hop Water for clear hop flavor. Switch for tea, hazy fruit, softer hops, or botanicals. Choose by hop intensity, flavor base, and restocking. For hop-forward drinking, start with Hoplark Hop Water. Buy it if you want sparkling water built around distinct hop varieties, including citrusy, tropical, and aromatic directions. That makes it the clearest choice for IPA fans who want hops leading every sip. The trade-off is a more bitter, plant-like edge than fruit seltzer. Pricing can also swing with seasonal releases. Skip it if you want softer carbonation with fruit doing most of the work. For tea and hops fans, choose Hoplark HopTea. It combines noticeable hop aroma with different tea bases, giving the drink more depth than straightforward hop water. You can also choose between caffeinated and non-caffeinated varieties. But tea remains part of the flavor, so this isn't the cleanest or simplest sparkling option. Seasonal and tea variations can complicate repeat orders. Skip it if carbonated tea sounds distracting rather than interesting. For a hazy IPA direction, Great Notion hop waters lean into fruit and hop combinations. Buy them if you want the lushest, most tropical, beer-adjacent profile here. It's a strong fit when crisp restraint sounds less appealing than saturated flavor. The catch is ownership cost and access. Cans run about $4 each, and online ordering adds friction. Skip this pick if you want an easy local restock or a dry, understated hop water. For easygoing beer fans, Nevada Brewing Company. Hop Splash keeps things bright, dry, and approachable. Buy it when you want moderate citrus and pine character without analyzing individual hop varieties. That simpler profile suits everyday fridge stocking. But dedicated IPA drinkers may find it too restrained. The citrus version also moves further toward fruit and differs from the original in calories and carbohydrates. Skip it if intensity or single hop definition drives your decision. For flavored seltzer drinkers, Athletic Brewing Company DayPack puts familiar fruit ahead of the hops. Buy it if mango, citrus, or cherry sounds appealing, but you still want a subtle hoppy accent. It's the easiest bridge from ordinary flavored sparkling water. The compromise is obvious: fruit dominates, so don't expect an IPA-like punch. Flavor preference varies across the range, making a mixed trial sensible. Skip it if unmistakable hop intensity is the entire point. For herbal flavor seekers, Hop WTR layers fruit, hops, and botanicals into a broader sparkling drink profile. Buy it if you enjoy fruit-forward cans with an herbal edge and want several flavor directions. The trade-off is definition. The botanical base can soften both the fruit and hop notes. It also costs more per can than several simpler choices. Standard varieties aren't as hop-led as double-hopped. Skip it if you want minimal ingredients or hops clearly in charge. Hop first, Hoplark Hop Water. Tea depth, hop tea. Hazy and tropical, Great Notion. Crisp and moderate, Hop Splash. Fruit-led, DayPack. Botanical and layered, Hop WTR. Before buying, check caffeine labeling, delivery requirements, fridge space, and cost per can. For unfamiliar fruit or tea flavors, avoid committing to a large case. Start with Hoplark Hop Water when you want hops clearly leading. Switch to HopTea or Great Notion for deeper, beer-adjacent flavor, and choose DayPack or Hop WTR when fruit matters more. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.